QQ, what up? What up, what's good? Okay. PPI news lagi 14 minit, 40 minutes. What up? Welcome to the live stream. Hi, what up? What's good? Akrele Bazit. Hello Zach, the AI pitch or the AL pitch? Hello Zach, hello, what up, what's good? Okay guys, we already made profit just now to start the US session. But right now I'm still monitoring and still holding few entries at the lowest. Okay, now monitoring for maybe a possible new setup or probably after the news, okay? Don't worry, the profits already locked just now. Okay, remember to always lock most profits because it's going to be high impact news and gold probably will be volatile, okay? Hello Zach, what up? What's good? Okay, are you guys making profits today already? QQ, already make profits today or not? Or still looking for entries? This is gold right now and let's look at the dollar. Okay, what happens? Okay, for you guys who doesn't know, okay, after this we're gonna have high impact news soon. Okay, it's gonna be this one, core PPI month over month and also PPI month over month, okay? But actually the biggest news would be tomorrow. We're gonna have CPI, but of course this is high impact news today in about 30 minutes from now, so it's still gonna be important for us to pay attention to because usually it will move the markets, okay, especially gold. Anika, oh, the AI pitch is Anika. Oh, you are using another account, Anika? What's good? Okay, hope you guys are all doing great so far this week and also today. Hello sir, namaste Akash, namaste Akash, what up? Yeah, okay, that's good. If you guys already make profits, that's good. So let's look at what we're gonna face. Okay, after this we're gonna have PPI news, okay, based on this calendar on the Forex Factory. Okay, based on the previous data, it came out only 0.2%. Okay, and the forecast is also 0.2%. The same goes to PPI news, also 0.4%. Based on the previous data and the forecasted data is 0.4%. So basically the analyst is forecasting that the data is going to be the same. So maybe not much impact. But if you get bigger difference, okay, from the forecasted data to the actual data that's going to come out after this, so probably it's going to give a huge impact to the market. But right now let's look at the chart back. Okay, for the moment, okay, at the moment dollar is still looking strong, okay, even though today it is only ranging, pretty much the same like gold today, mostly just ranging, but we managed to get our profits, our scalp profits. So right now I'm just monitoring if you can get another entry, okay? Gold buy and sell, sir. Gold buy and sell. There is two-way. Okay, that is not how I trade. Okay, it's either buy or sell. Okay, this is not financial advice, of course. I'm not telling you what to do with your accounts. Okay, I'm just here sharing you my analysis, my thoughts on gold, and so the current market. Okay. So right now, let's look at gold. What happens before the news comes out? Okay, I'm gonna explain everything. Okay, right now gold yesterday, based on the daily candle, it closes pretty much strongly bearish. But we have to remember that even though it is closing bearish here, yesterday candle closing bearish, but here we have a previous breakout zone on the daily time frame. So that's why I'm releasing a buy signal just now, and we're still already in profits. I'm still holding few entries at the lowest. Okay, because for me this bearish candle, even though on the daily candle is closing bearish, okay, might be just a retest of this breakout zone on the daily time frame. Okay, the daily time frame making a huge bullish breakout at this zone, and we still have a fresh daily resistance, okay, that is yet to be retested. So maybe this is a retest on the daily time frame based on the bullish breakout that happened previously, and this is the candle that we are looking for. Maybe we're going to have a bullish continuation, and finally we're going to have a retest at the high resistance right here at around 27.15. Okay, so that is my analysis based on the high time frame, and for our time frame, it's just pretty much ranging today. Okay, not breaking up or breaking down so far. Okay, looks like investors are all waiting for the PPI data. So let's just monitor the market first before we take any positions. Okay, we have 9 more minutes before the news came out. So if you guys are still in the trade, make sure you manage your risk wisely. Okay, or if you hold it with break even, you should hit your break even just now. But don't worry, we're gonna wait and looking for another opportunities if we can get it. Okay, 8 more minutes before impact news. Okay, let's look at the calendar back. 8 more minutes before the PPI news. Okay, 7 minutes to the actual data release. So get ready, get your accounts ready. If you are trading the high impact news, okay, you have to understand that it's going to be high risk period because the market is going to be volatile. So always trade, okay, with your war account, and also the most important thing is with the money that you are willing to lose. Okay, but the best way is to wait after the news settles and then look for what reaction that we have in the market, and then we plan ahead on how to continue trading for the rest of the day after the news release. Okay, so let's look at gold first. Looks like it has a bearish reaction right now as we are approaching to the news. Okay guys, as always, okay, we're gonna wait for the best setup before we enter any positions. Okay, don't rush your trades. Just now we already make profits, so just enjoy it and look for more if you can get it. Okay, so guys, are you already in profits today or still looking for entries? Tell me in the chat. Okay, let me know so that I know if I need to release more setups or you're already happy with today's gains. Okay, okay, news is coming up. Okay, dollar is pushing up. Okay, a little bit on the lower time frame. Gold is pushing down a little bit. Okay, as we are approaching the news. So that is the reaction. So remember, in trading, not only the positions are important, but what's important is you learn, okay, what is happening on the market so that you understand it. Okay, not making blind judgments and also poor decisions without knowing anything. Okay, so right now, actually today we don't have any clear direction. Okay, market just ranging, consolidating at this area. Okay, and now we are approaching the news, and right now still ranging, but it looks like on the lower time frame, okay, gold is going a little bit bearish for now. Okay, this is what I said just now. If you still holding with break even, it should hit. Okay, this is our buying zone just now at 68 and also 65, and the stop loss is at 63. Okay, but right now I'm not holding in positions. I already locked most of my profits and still waiting for the next possible setup. Okay, no, I didn't get to trade so far. I was a bit busy. Okay, Anika, that's okay. Okay, I know most of you guys, okay, not everyone have the time to trade every single time I release my setups, but that's okay, because you can always be alert and choose which setup that you want to trade on. Okay, but most importantly, when I release my setups. Okay, you always look at your chart first and do your own analysis first before you follow the signals. If you are confident with it, yes, you can maybe take the positions, okay, based on your due diligence. Okay, I'm not telling you what to do with your account. I'm just sharing my experience and my thoughts on the market every single day. So guys, we have 4 more minutes, okay, before the high impact news release. So just get prepared. For now, don't say anything yet from gold. It's still in the range at the low time frame as well. Let's delete this first. Dollar is pushing up a little bit as we are closer to the news. 4 more minutes before impact news. Based on the chart right now, there is nothing, honestly. So yesterday we have a strong bearish move, and for today, and yesterday actually, before the daily candle close, gold managed to arrive here at the zone that I mentioned in my previous SOC daily gold forecast, and also in my market outlook at around 3660. When the gold reaches there yesterday, it managed to reject after forming kind of like a support and moving up. But today, overall, it is just ranging, okay? And right now, we already know why it is ranging. It is because everybody is waiting for the PPI news. So no rush. Okay, Anika, if you didn't get to trade so far, don't worry. Okay, we can always have more opportunities in the market after this. So nothing much yet on the market for now. Remember guys, trading is not for you to always rush your entries, okay? Sometimes yes, when you see a great setup forming a solid confirmation based on your strategies and also the techniques you learn, maybe you can take the risk. But if you don't say anything, okay, if you are not confident, it's better for you to stay on the side first, okay, and monitor the price action and looking for only solid entry, okay, like what I'm doing right now. Already 2 setups today with profits, so that's why I'm not rushing for the news, because the price action is not looking really great for me to enter. If you are trading news, make sure you use your high risk account, okay, your war account, and not your main account. So I'm still waiting right now. So the dollar is pushing up. Okay, 1 minute before the news. Let's open up. Okay, the calendar, 30 seconds. So let's see what's the data is going to come out. And we're going to see the reaction on the market, okay? What up, Zero Gravity? What up? Zero Gravity? Who is Zero Gravity? I'm sorry, I forgot the actual name. But I think I'm familiar with Zero Gravity. So welcome to the stream. Right now we are waiting for the PPI news release. And we're gonna see what the data. Okay, yes. Norman, okay, bro. So let's see what happens. Still pending. Looks like dollar is dropping. Okay. And gold is flying. If you are holding the entries that I released just now, congratulations. Here dollar is dropping really hard. Looks like gold is flying. The instant reaction from the market. But let's look at the data first. Man. Okay, the data came out. Okay, not so good. In red. Okay. So right now, it is looking like not so good for the dollar. But let's look at the chart. Back. I monitor the price action, okay? It is still early. This is the instant reaction after the news. We get a solid push up from the lower time frame from gold. Okay, about 60 pips to the upside. And if you're still holding the entries based on the zones that I gave, the last zone for the US session setup, congratulations, you should be in profits. Okay, and right now dollar is dropping. Let's see, okay, if this move is going to sustain or not. Okay, if you can get a break above 26.75, maybe gold will push even higher. Okay, because since morning gold has been trying to break the 26.75 level a few times, but it failed. Okay, it kept rejecting. So right now in this candle, if you manage to get a break, solid break, okay, above the 26.75 level, maybe we can get a solid continuation to the upside. So let's see first. Based on the data, yes, instant reaction from the dollar is dropping, and gold is flying, but still looks like it's failing to break based on this M15 candle. So I'm not rushing my trades. Okay, looks like this 65 support, or actually I was waiting for 26.63. This support is strong for now. I managed to hold gold and push it higher, but let's see if we can get a break to the upside. Okay, dollar, okay, hovering below 109.5, and it's like it's going to make a slight rejection on the M1 time frame. Boom, hish. What is boom? Profits. Congrats if you're making profits, but right now I'm still looking for a possible setup. Okay, looks like gold is rejecting to the downside a little bit on the lower time frame. But what I can say is the break to the upside is kind of solid, okay, from gold, but still it is playing in the range. Okay, it looks like the high impact session may be sell then. Okay, that is what I'm waiting for right now. Okay, for confirmations to see any possible setups for us to enter. So we're just gonna wait, not rushing our entries. Okay, gold is rejecting, so if you bought just now, okay, I hope you guys already took profits. The high impact session, maybe sell them. Okay, that is what I'm looking for right now. Still monitoring the charts for you guys. Just chill. Okay, based on the reaction just now, what we can see is, okay, high impact news already done. PPI. Tomorrow we're gonna have CPI. So instant reaction is gold managed to push to the upside, and now leaving a wick. Okay, based on the M15 candle, but it is not closing yet. So let's look at the lower time frame, M5 candle, okay, and then rejecting, leaving also a long wick to the upside. Okay, this is a strong rejection kinda on the M5 time frame, and we still have a support here. Okay, minor support. Okay, if you look at H1, we have rejection right here, and M15. Okay, it is forming like a minor support. So right now, let's see if gold is going to hold the support in order for us to find our opportunities to the long side, or is going to reject and break to the lower side and keep continuing going lower. Okay, based on the reaction, still nothing. Gold stuck in the middle if you get a solid break just now, probably we can straight away decide to maybe go long, but right now gold rejecting back into the zone, so I'm still waiting. And also remember, okay, at times like this, few minutes or maybe an hour or 2 hours before after the news, it's still going to be high risk because the market is absorbing all the reaction, okay, and also all the orders from the big institution start pouring in into the market. So probably, okay, we're going to have the bigger reaction, okay, after this, because we already get the reaction to the upside, but now it looks like it is not going anywhere and still rejecting to the downside. So let's wait first and see if we can hold the support or gold will break it here around 26.65. okay, but now this is looking like a strong support on the lower time frame. Very weak buyer's reaction for now, what I'm seeing on the chart for me to buy. Okay, if you can see a solid buyer's reaction, maybe we can enter buy. 4 hour as well, still nothing. I mean the same candle, but looks like it is rejecting to the bearish side. Daily, still nothing. Maybe we can get another entry soon, but it's going to be high risk, okay? Let's wait. Have you guys took any positions? If you did, okay, tell me in the chat. Let me see. Who already took the trade for the news? See, gold failed to break 75 and now it is rejecting. Okay, almost 100 pips from the top. That's why I said if we can get a break just now, probably gold gonna go buy. But we only get instant reaction here, and then that's why we don't FOMO to buying right here. Okay, we have to wait, and looks like look at what happened. Go rejecting back, keep breaking this low after the reaction during the news release. So that's why we have to wait first and not rushing our trades. Looks like gold tested lower supports. Okay, I have my zones right here around 60. It barely touched just now, and now it is rejecting. Okay, let's see. The 2660 or 61 level is also important. Can be also considered high time frame support if gold fails to break this low. Okay, maybe it still can have buyer's reaction. Okay, so let's wait. This M1 candle already telling me that it is rejecting, because why? Because it came up from a strong bearish move. So this candle also closing bearish. Logically speaking, if the momentum is looking strongly bearish, the next candle should be also red. But right now you see on the M1 candle, it's pushing up to the bullish side. Why? Because we have a strong support below. Looks like it is rejecting from the support. Already 30 pips to the upside. So let's look at the M5 time frame. So M5 closing. Going to the upside, leaving a wick, going to the downside, leaving a wick, and get back into the middle. Damn. No clear direction yet, no solid reaction yet, but it is already rejecting the lower support. Okay, here we have here goes dropping, and then it changed the market structure and moving to the bullish side. And here right now it retested that level. Okay, barely touching my zones that I have drawn right here, and now it is rejecting. So let's go back to the M1 time frame. You can see dollar. Okay guys, maybe you can get set up after this. Okay, let's wait for a few more minutes for confirmations and clearer setup. Okay. Okay guys, it's going to be a high risk trade. Okay, only for the fighters, and most importantly, if you can, use your wall count to enter. Okay, I'm going to release a signal in the channel. Be ready. Okay. Let's get back again. Okay, this is going to be high risk signal. Okay, follow at your own risk. This is not financial advice. Okay, you ready? Okay guys, I'm going to go long right here, so if you want to follow, make sure manage your risk. Okay, I already take my positions. If you want to follow, this is not financial advice, of course. Okay, I'm not telling you what to do. I already took a long positions, so do what you have to do. Let me put in the entry zones in the channel. Okay, if you are not in the school of charts, make sure you are inside. Okay, let's hope for the best, all the best. Monitor your positions well if you want to follow, okay? Entry price at 64, profit at around 66, and around stop loss 9. Okay guys, we already have 2 wins today, so this is another setup. So I'm not going too high risk with this because we already finished with the news and I already have 2 wins. So let's just hope for the best, okay? And manage your risk wisely if you want to follow. Okay, trade at your own risk, okay? You already finished with the news. So it's still going to be high risk, high impact after high impact news. And looks like Okay. Already flying. My TP1 at 66. Okay. There you go. Bam. Congratulations if you followed. Okay. Close most profits. Already hit. Let me see how many pips. Already flying for 40 pips. Okay. Close most profits right now for scalpers. If you want to hold, maybe hold few entries at the lowest. Okay. Don't hold all entries. Okay, I'm closing few of my entries. You should do the same too. Okay, don't hold everything. Congrats guys if you followed. Okay, let me update in the channel, okay? That was fast. That was fast. How many pips already? 40 pips. Damn. Flying again. Yeah. Congrats guys if you followed. Zai already hit TP scalp. Yeah, already hit TP scalps to collect most profits. TP hold. TP holds. Yeah, it's reaching there. But I would advise you to collect most profits and the whole few at the lowest, okay? Because I'm already closing most of mine. Okay, let me close more. Okay. Let me update first in the channel so that the others are aware. Alhamdulillah guys. Flying 45 pips right now. Hitting, take profits. Yeah. That's why you need to follow Zach guys. Okay. Even though sometimes my setups would be a little bit late to be released. Because why? Because I will not be releasing my signals if it is bad, okay, for you guys. Because I'm here trading it. Okay, it doesn't make sense for me to lose. I always want to win. That's why I will be waiting for the best setup. Just now, we don't enter before the news. Let the others celebrate their early wins and then got spike up to the downside, hitting the stop loss, and then we enter, okay, and get our profits. Okay guys, 48 pips to the upside. Congratulations if you followed. Let me claim first in the channel. There you go. Okay. Do you want more, or should we be just happy with what we made today? Or the two setup wins? 46, 47 pips. Running hit TP. Okay. Congratulations guys. $3 profit so far. I only had $5 in my account. Thanks, Zach. The I page Anika. That's why I always advise you to trade with bigger capital. $5 is actually not advisable to trade. Okay, it is too low. Okay, at least $100 or $50. The lowest $50 maybe, but at least 100 if you can. Okay, that is the recommended. Merci frère. Merci. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Congrats QQ if you followed. Okay, enjoy the blues. If you want to hold, make sure this whole few. Okay, like you always did. If you followed everything I teach. So right now, guys, we entered right here. Okay, go flying. So what to do now? Collect your profits. Only hold few at the lowest. If it flies again and breaks, okay, 75 like I told you guys just now, we possibly will be seeing gold to retest where? Here at around 2680 to 83. Okay, probably if gold managed to break 75, it will find 80 and 83 zone for another selling opportunity. Right now it is still ranging actually, but we managed to make profits already based on the move, so congrats. Right now I'm just waiting and holding few of my entries. And dollar, let's look at dollar again. Still looking bearish after the news. It spiked down and it managed to reject a little bit, and then right now still dropping. but on the low time frame, dollar still have support right here. If you manage to break the support, manage to break lower, okay, at least breaking 109.5, maybe it will go lower to find 109.250, and then go, okay, maybe can gain some strength to the upside and go bullish, hitting our TP hole, and also maybe breaking the 75 level to go higher. Because remember, I told you guys we still have high resistance right here that is yet to be retested, and here, okay, we have a previous support that has been broken here. So right now, if gold flies, okay, if it reaches 78 or 80 level that I mentioned to you guys just now, okay, here we're gonna monitor if we're gonna have, okay, rejection. But first, the 75 level is really important. Let's wait first. Okay, but remember to collect most of your profits. Already flying just now. So guys, are you happy with the blues, or you want more? Okay, I'm still in blues. Okay, great gains today for me. I'm happy. So tomorrow, let's look at tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna have the next high impact news, which is also another important high impact news. CPI, okay? The same time, okay, at this time, at 9:30 PM GMT plus 8 my time tomorrow, we're gonna have the next high impact news. Yeah, very happy, Zach. Zero gravity. I'm happy if you're happy. Okay, that's all I want. I want you guys to make blues, okay, and follow me closely. I'm only here to share what I know, my educations, my setups, and of course you have to put in the work too. Okay, so if you are happy, zero gravity, I'm happy too. Congratulations for the blues just now. And tomorrow, remember, okay, we still have another high impact news, CPI, high impact news called PPI, core CPI, I'm sorry. Okay, CPI month over month and CPI year over year. Okay, this is the biggest news for this week. Okay, mark my words. Why? Because for last week, we already done with, let's see, here. The biggest news for last week is non-farm employment change or non-farm payroll, NFP, and the data came out really good for the dollar, okay, which is higher than the previous data and also higher than the forecasted data, okay, which is really great for the dollar, which means the labor sector, okay, in the US is looking really great. So right now, investors are waiting for the next parameters, most important parameters, which is the inflation. So when will the inflation news come out? Will be coming out tomorrow. Here, the CPI news is regarding inflation, and also all this week's news is actually about inflation. And also tomorrow, the biggest news will be CPI year over year and also month over month. So make sure you guys get prepared. Okay, as always, like today. Okay, if I have the time, okay, I will make sure that I will do this live session again with you guys to trade the news. If we can get it set up like just now. Even though just now, let's go back to the chart. Okay, just now, usually before news, I will release my setup, right? If you guys have been following me for a few months, you know that during news time, okay, I am the person that you should look for, okay? Because why? I always release my new setup and usually few minutes before the news. But just now, okay, in this live session, I already told you guys I didn't see anything before the news. Okay, gold is just ranging, not showing me any solid reaction, and then bam, we don't take any positions before the news, and then gold spike to the upside. Here, this is the reaction when the PPI news release, and then it failed to break above the 2675 level that I talked about, and then rejected back again to the downside. But like I told you guys, why I'm buying even though gold is rejecting and already breaking this low here on the M1 time frame, or if you look at the lower time frame as well, you can see that it already break the M5 time frame right here. Because on the higher time frame, okay, the point that it rejected just now to the lower side is actually a support. Okay, that's why I'll go for buy in order to get my scalp entries. And bam, we get the instant reaction here to the upside and hitting our take profits. Okay, so congrats if you followed. So right now looks like it is rejecting back again because that is gold. It is really volatile. Still failed to break the 75 level, but I'm okay with it. So let's see what the next reaction is going to be from gold. Okay, at this rate I'm definitely making up my birthday money. Birthday? When is your birthday? Anika dan Klee. Okay, remember to always collect your profits, okay, in this volatile market, especially after the news. Like times like this, see, it gets back into our entry zone just now. Next Monday is your birthday. Okay, next Monday is 20th of January, right? Okay, happy birthday in advance. Okay, wish you all the best for this year. I hope you achieve everything that you have wished for and keep improving as a human being, and also keep achieving anything, okay, that you have been working for. Especially I think you are still studying, right? I think you can finish your study and manage to graduate soon, okay? So congrats on profit just now. So right now, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. I will try to explain to the best of my knowledge and ability. And kalau orang Malaysia pun boleh tanya dalam bahasa Melayu, tak ada masalah. Okay, saya akan jawab. If you wanna ask me in English, you can. And if you want to ask me in my local language, in the Malaysian language, bahasa Melayu, you can also do that. Okay. Guys, today is actually really boring. Okay. PPI, not much reaction. Okay. So that means we have to wait for tomorrow for the CPI news. Maybe during CPI, we will get the 100 pips or 200 pips high impact news move that we usually get. So just stay tuned, okay? Thanks, Zach. You're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome. And also, you should thank yourself for giving the opportunity, okay, for you to take the risk, okay, to learn this new knowledge trading, okay, in order for you to improve. Maybe some of you guys just want to make side income, okay, extra income every day, every month, every week. Some of you guys maybe are hustling and working to become a full-time trader. So what I can say is just keep hustling. Okay, everyone started as a beginner. I'm once a beginner too. Okay, always been confused in the market, not knowing what to do. But right now, alhamdulillah, it's all good. And I'm sharing what I know to you guys so that you guys can also become better in trading and achieve consistent profits. Keep trading with me every day in the School of Charts. So guys, if you have any questions, okay, anything, you can ask me while I'm still live right here. Maybe I will end the live soon because I need to get my dinner. I still haven't had my dinner yet. Okay, I'm a bit hungry. Already made my profits, so I'm gonna get my food after this, okay? If you have any question, ask me in the chat, okay? And if you're looking for setups, don't worry, okay, just stay tuned in the School of Charts. If I see a great setup for us, I will share with you guys. Okay, or else, don't worry, we can always have a new day tomorrow in order for us to continue making profits. I want to ask you guys, do you guys want me to keep doing this live trading session with you guys? Sharing my ideas, my thoughts, what I'm seeing on the market, and also the setups live like this. If you guys like it, you can spam me, some emojis in the chat. Okay, usually fire emojis. Spam me some fire emojis in the chat so that I know you like this. Bagi mamak ke? Mamak Tuh, sekarang dah pukul 10 kan. Kedai-kedai pun mall pun dah nak tutup. Maybe mamak ataupun tengoklah kedai-kedai Thai pun ada kan, kedai Siam kan, kedai Tom Yum pun best juga kan. Tapi paling senang Grab lah kan. Tu senang, pilih Grab je. Tapi kadang bosan juga. So kalau tak ada mamak pun okey, tak ada hal guys. Bukannya hari-hari nak kena makan wagyu kan. Itu tak logik memang dia. Jemu juga kalau betul pun hari-hari makan wagyu ke benda kan. Kadang-kadang benda-benda yang simple ni lagi sedap. Serius, roti canai, nasi lemak. Korang hari-hari makan apa? Benda-benda yang mahal ni pun kadang-kadang jemu juga. Sama lah semua benda kan, apa benda yang kita buat, makin lama kita buat, dia akan hilang dia punya interest tu. Sebab tu trading ni hanya yang betul-betul untuk yang passionate je, okay? Yang tak passionate pun boleh nak trade untuk make extra income, tapi always kena ada basic knowledge and follow the right, okay, mentor or right educator, so that you know what you are doing in the market every day and get the best knowledge and experience. Okay, tarik paling best. Betul. Contohlah macam pukul 12 malam kan, dah lewat kan, tiba-tiba lapar kan. Mungkin time tu tengah trade lagi kan, pukul 12 ada setup ke apa, dah profit apa semua, tiba-tiba lapar kan. Takkanlah nak pergi ni pula kan, mall pula. Itu mall terpiak nama dia. So kadang mamak poki je kan, layan apa, nan tanduri, roti canai. Canai pun sedap juga. Telur kan, roti pelantar. Tak ada hal, janji kenyang. Makan ni satu je, makan ni kenyang. Trade ni satu je, trade ni nak profit. Kalau trade tak profit, baik tak trade kan. So guys, kalau masih lagi trading, so make sure korang manage this wisely, okay? Right now we still have a support right here, H4 support dekat 26.56 and around 26.60, about 40 pip zone. So kalau gold jap pergi touch zone ni, okay, ni zone Zack dah ada lukis arrow kat sini. So kalau dia touch and then dia reject, okay, showing us bullish rejection, okay. Maybe on M15 kalau nak solid, tengok dekat M15. Kalau M15 ada solid bullish rejection and closing, maybe we will find another buying opportunity at this area, okay. If not, if we have a solid bearish rejection breaking this low, okay, maybe bahaya sikit untuk kita buy. Maybe kita tunggu tengok apa next reaction. Okay, kalau break solid, maybe we look for sales and wait here for the next lowest support to find our next buying entry. Because why? 16 ni semalam dah retest. Okay, semalam here dah retest and then dah naik hari ni again kan, and then dia reject, just ranging, and right now after PPI dropping to retest this same level back again. So this is a retest. This move right now, what is happening on the chart right now is a retest back to this H4 support. So that's why you are seeing, even though it is looking bearish, but the bearish momentum is kinda having a challenge, okay, not going straight away, breaking this low, because this is a H4 support and previously has been rejected. So if it reaches there back again once more, okay, look at the lower time frame, okay, and see if this level managed to hold. If you can get, if this level holds really strongly, you can get a solid breakout to the upside and a retest on the lower time frame and continuation. Maybe we can get our next opportunities to buy at around right there. But right now, if you are still holding, just manage your risk wisely. If you already collected profits, congratulations. And looks like you don't have any question in the chat. So guys, okay, one more thing I want to ask. You still haven't answered me. If you like this session, okay, spam me some fire emojis in the chat and I will do more of it. Okay, or else maybe we can do like the old days, the usual ways, which is me only sharing you signals in the channel with the TP and SL. Okay, I'm also planning to do more live educations with you guys, but of course if you guys are interested with it. So once more, one last time, if you have any question, you can ask me in the chat right now. And also if you like this session, you can spam me the emojis. And also maybe give me your comments, your feedback, what you want to see from my live session, okay? I will try to improve it from time to time. Zero gravity with the fire, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. That means you like this session. I will try to do more of it soon. Maybe tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow is the next new day for us to trade. Okay, right now gold on the M5 time frame still rejecting to the downside. Hopefully we get more signals today. Okay, Anika, I will try to see if we can get more setups today. But you already get your birthday money, right? So just enjoy it. Okay. If If you can get another setup, I will share it, of course, in the School of Chat channel. And looks like you don't have any questions. Oh, dollar managed to hold the drop, and right now it's going to break this zone. So let's see first. Lifetime ni best. Thank you. Betul, tapi expectation dia untuk live macam ni, okay? You shouldn't expect for me to instantly when I open my live to give you signals, okay? That is not how I do things, okay? I'm waiting for the best setup. If you can get it, then I will release my setup. And of course, it is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your accounts. You should always do your own analysis also, and pair it with mine, okay? If you are confident with it, yes, you can trade at your own risk and follow, okay? So right now, still, okay, looking indecisive, but high time frame, okay, daily, walaupun semalam bearish, strong bearish closing, but we have kind of like minor bearish trend on the daily time frame that is still holding, and also we have a fresh resistance, not fresh, it actually been retested once right here, okay? But if we ignore this one, this is when Trump won the election. If we ignore this one, okay, just focus on this one, we have a fresh resistance yet to be retested on the daily time frame, okay? So that's why we can still go bullish from here if it failed to break this support. But if we manage to break the 60 level, okay, we'll try to find the lower support at right here at around 26.45, okay? So you can use my zones right here if you want to trade it. If you see break, wait for retest. If the retest is solid, you can find for continuation sell, okay? If you don't get a break, okay, if you don't see any break, gold just retested this level and rejecting or holding, and bam, making a break to the upside, making a clean retest, you can maybe try to find the next opportunities to buy right here. So that is the current plan, because this is where price is sitting right now. It's going bearish and it is sitting right here. So where it wants to go, here, and the nearest support we have here, the support, and then it tested yesterday going up. Right now it tested once again, okay? So let's see what happens. Still bearish move from gold. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the live macam ni best. Thank you Zero Gravity, Norman. Bukan nanti, esok, okay, stand by. Zat akan buat lagi live macam ni untuk explain trade, apa yang Zat nampak dekat chart, okay? So right now, okay, not much volume actually after the news. I was hoping to get more volumes, but of course we already get the profits, so that's nice. Okay guys, Norman, okay, alright, ngam Norman. Okay, remember esok CPI news, standby ikan perang. Okay, hari ni kita tak guna ikan perang before news, kita guna ikan perang selepas news, and already make profits, so congrats. So tomorrow we have CPI, and the next day also we're gonna have another high impact news, so make sure korang ready. Terima kasih banyak-banyak sama-sama, tak ada hal. Okay guys, standby, sekejap lagi kalau ada lagi setup saya akan share dalam channel macam biasa. Make sure korang follow, okay, and manage your risk wisely in order to grow your account and keep making profits with me in the School of Charts. So guys, if you haven't joined my channel yet, make sure you join right now. It's free, okay, nothing to pay, no charges at all. Just join and you can learn a lot from the free stuff that I shared with you guys in the channel. Okay, congratulations with the profits just now, okay, for the PPI news trade. I wish you guys all the best if you keep trading after this. Okay, just remember to manage your risk wisely, and remember to always close profits when you can. If I see another setup, a great setup for us to continue and keep making profits, I will share with you guys in the School of Chat channel. So stay alert and stay tuned. Okay, see ya. QQ. See ya.